In this video, I'm going to show you how to zip a Pro Tools session. Now to do this, first you want to go to File, top left, and you want to click on Save Session Copy In over here, okay? So when you click on this, it's actually going to save all the files from this specific session wherever you want, and you can of course go ahead and select Format, the session parameters, and then your items to copy. I'm just going to do everything over here, and then of course you can also select the audio file type, etc. And when you're ready, click on the OK button, and you can select where you want to save this. So I'm actually going to go to my downloads like I am over here, and I'm actually going to name this one, for example, copy to zip, okay? Then I'm going to click on the save button, and it's going to save it just like this. And what you want to do is then open your file explorer, and then in there you want to find that file. So from here, as you can see, copy to zip over here is basically here. So I'm just going to right click this, and I'm going to click on compress to, and then you want to click on zip file. Now when you do this, it's going to start creating a zip file, and when it's done, you can just click on enter over here, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to basically zip that session directly on your computer just like this. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.